Hi, I'm Mike Capriato, owner of Pedigo Buffalo. Pedigo Buffalo stands for fun. My first ride on a Pedigo made me feel like a kid again. The kind of fun and the exercise and just the experience on a bike at my age was something I felt that I had to share with everyone. For someone that's looking to go out and do things that they wouldn't normally do because they didn't feel they had the energy to do it, a Pedigo bike will change your life. When you come to Pedigo Buffalo, first class service is number one. When you walk out of here with a bike, you're going to be happy, and we're going to make sure you're happy. Our philosophy here is to try to fit a bike to everyone's lifestyle, whether it be a trail bike, a cargo bike, or just a good old beach cruiser that you want to go right around down a canal side. Come and visit us at Pedigo Buffalo and see how much fun life can be.